Like, this is the cheapest stay I have ever booked in Europe.
I can't get over how pretty this town is, yeah. Norwegians are super fit to be doing this. I'm not. I can only imagine Reet wanting to do this. I thought for the longest time this man is real and is staring at me. Got on the wrong train and did not reach our hotel. In an alternate life, I will settle in Europe. Not in this life. Alright, we are in Bergen city. It looks so colorful and beautiful. I love the energy this place is giving. Very modern, very European city vibes, but with so much color. I love it. This is our apartment. This is the Airbnb I have booked. It's the Pink Panther house. इसके अंदर एक रूम हमारा है खाली, पूरा घर अपना नहीं है. 0 start. Great. ये अपना Airbnb. ये सीढ़ियाँ हैं. ये सीढ़ियाँ. Yes, kitchen. This is the kitchen.
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
This is the kitchen.
Yeah. Hi! Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Travel with Sar, where you and I, we travel together. We are in this beautiful city in Norway called Bergen. And बहुत ही सुंदर vibe है इधर का. जैसे ही मैं land हो रही थी, I saw all these colorful, cute houses. They all look the same, but they all are different colors. And you know how much I love color. It's so brightly stimulating, so nice. And I've landed at the perfect time. It's 4, like I landed at 2 o'clock. And I've taken an Airbnb right in the center of the city. I love this Airbnb. Like, you might think like it's very simple and plain and not fancy schmancy, but the location is so good. It's like right in the prime of the center. Everywhere I'm looking, it's beautiful. And also so many food outlets नीचे. तो अभी last vlog अगर आपने देखा होगा, Tromso में we were staying very much on the outskirts. So खाने पीने के बहुत वांदे हो रहे थे, but इधर I will ठूसो and eat. Anyways, this town is just about relaxing for me. I just took Bergen में 2 रात because there's nothing much to do. It's just a European city where you just see the beauty and see the scenery and take it in and just eat the good food of Europe. So that's the vibe that we are going to go for in Bergen. Nothing, no itinerary, no activities, nothing planned. There are things that you can do. I will explain that along the way. There are probably day trips from Bergen which are very popular, but honestly I haven't booked anything. I just wanted to unwind. Since I took this trip because I was burnt out, मुझे चाहिए था कि कुछ दिन मैं कुछ भी नहीं करूँ. And these 2 days in Bergen and tomorrow in Oslo is going to be that. Not tomorrow, 3rd day, like my last day is going to be in Oslo, and that's going to be that for me. I will take you through the town. I'll take you through what I eat. It will just be a what I ate in Norway kind of a video. I really like the light coming from the window. Like this Airbnb, just look at it. It's like a terrace apartment. And ये पुराने घर जो होते हैं यूरोप में, इसमें वो नहीं होते, लिफ्ट नहीं होती है, राइट? तो सीढ़ियों पे मुझे सूटकेस ड्रैग करके लाना पड़ा. But I'll give you a quick tour. It's so nice because it's also just rupees 6,500 for 2 nights. Can you believe it? Like, this is the cheapest stay I have ever booked in Europe, ever. And I've done so many Europe trips, and this is the cheapest. And I was so excited at the price. I think it's because it's a shared apartment. There's another room next door. Somebody else stays there. Somebody else stays niche. There's a common washroom. So it's almost like a dormitory. You don't have like your private washroom. You don't have a living room and a kitchenette and all. Everything is shared in the house. Niche kitchen hai. But I'm okay with that. Like, I'm solo, and I think for a solo traveler, it's perfect. I also think it's shoulder season for Norway, which is why I got like this almost cheap price. Or maybe Bergen is affordable. I don't know. अलग महीनों में, अलग dates पे, अलग timing पे क्या होगा. But for the location, this price is so good. So this is the beautiful window जिसपे आप चिपके हुए थे. जब आपका व्यू मैं थी, मेरा व्यू ये था. इतनी सुंदर लाइट आ रही है. You can see all these cute, colorful houses. Like I was saying, people are walking with their dogs in the park. I've been looking. Look at that. Oh my God, so cute. Obsessed with this life that Europeans live. The work-life balance here is so good, mashallah. And this cozy room, there's a bed which looks really comfortable. It's perfect for one person. I've already made myself comfortable, and at home, opened my suitcases out. There's a visit this desk. The heater is niche, so there is a heater over here, but here it's 5 degrees, so I'm very comfortable. I'm not wearing any thermals. I've removed my outfit for tomorrow. My towel, my jacket is at the back. इधर से एक छोटा सा mirror. I've done a slick back pony because 7 दिन से मैंने बाल नहीं धोए हैं. Fun, but I will wash it over here. So tonight I will wash my hair. I'll brave myself in this cold weather and wash my hair because my scalp hygiene is so bad right now and my hair is falling a lot. I can't afford to lose the little bit of hair that I have left. So I'm gonna wash my hair tonight and yeah, I'll dry it. I have a blow dryer with me. That's European connection wala because मैंने एक बार Paris में खरीदा था. If you remember, this is the cozy room. It's perfect. I'm wearing denims and Reed's Ravenclaw sweatshirt and I'm gonna take my AirPods. Okay, this sunlight, I'm obsessed. But अगर आप notice करोगे ये पूरे trip पे मैंने तो कुछ fashionable किया नहीं है. इतने कपड़े भी नहीं carry किए, jewelry भी बिल्कुल carry नहीं किया. I've not carried any necklaces. I'm not wearing my rings. Nothing at all. I just wanted to exist and I knew with the winter layers it's so exhausting to handle jewelry and stuff. Didn't want to do any of that. There's no fashion content from this trip. This trip is just about unwind, relax, soak in the nature. It was about Northern Lights till we got to see them and now I feel very fulfilled. After that, I haven't even been putting makeup because I'm just loving how my skin is looking. Mashallah, I feel like the air in Europe really suits me. Pink house is ours. Upar, I think वो वाली मेरी खिड़की है जहाँ हम थे. I think yeah, that's the house. And this is the beautiful town. Can't believe I'm here alone. Like what a change of scenery from Mumbai. So refreshing. You know I love solo trips. I love it. As much as I love having people around me. I love my family. I love my friends. I love my boyfriend. But there is something about a solo trip that I just fall in love with myself. Not responsible for anyone. Nobody's responsible for you. You can just enjoy, see, take care of yourself. You're good. Listen to music, read your books. I'm happy with my friends and family also, but when I want to recharge my batteries, I'm happiest alone. Look at that. That's the riverside. There's this one popular neighborhood called Briggin, जो इधर से बस 15-20 minute walking पे ही है. There we'll go tomorrow. अभी let's go and get some food. I saw Los Tacos on the way. I would love some tacos right now. Look at those cute alleys. It's giving me so much like a Granada energy from Spain. Love it. This area I'm living in is called Klostergaten. It's very pedestrian friendly also. Super pedestrian friendly, although I'm not walking on the footpath right now. I should, but yeah, everyone's walking here. I think this is off season. In general, I think this is off season because I'm not seeing a lot of tourists. I'm just seeing locals. The host lives in the house that I'm living in. So it's lovely. He's called me for dinner also. He's like, we can have dinner together. I'm cooking up a feast. And I was like, lovely. I love that. So we'll eat something outside and we'll go back in to eat something with their family. I also never told you all that these Jordans have first time left my house. I bought them in Singapore so many years back and this is the first time that they are seeing Europe. So I've been talking to my shoes a lot. Like, how do you like it? Because they're always so chunky. I've never carried them anywhere. And they're also purple. They don't go with a lot of outfits. But this trip, I thought I could use some color because my wardrobe's been so plain. There's a grocery store right here. I'll pick up later. Boon Free. This is the city center. There are so many nice cafes, restaurants. There's a McDonald's. The views are beautiful. I love these squares. Like, nothing is happening. People are just playing, sitting on the benches. And so colorful. You can see all these views. It looks very much like Lisbon, Portugal almost. I'm also loving that I don't need gloves and muffler and all that over here. Oh, makeup. Yes, I haven't done some shopping. Is this Sephora? Oh, there's a TGI Fridays. I'll eat at TGI Fridays. Yeah, good chicken wings would be nice for me. This is a very popular pizza joint in Norway, Pepe's Pizza. I've already eaten once. I'm not a big pizza girl, so I want some chicken wings. The starter was some juicy burgers. Oh my god. The food looks so good. I've ordered nachos and sesame chicken wings or strips. Yeah, these are strips. And this is retired from his trek. I know life abroad is not easy, like we see it as a tourist, but what is this life, man? How pretty. Like, imagine coming by in the evening after work to walk along the pond where you can see different animals. You can bring your dog. Everything is dog friendly. I've been seeing so many dogs. This is the center of your city. So many nice places to eat. Chal, eating though we have in Bombay also, but we definitely don't have these open spaces to just chill and relax. That's definitely missing the balance. The air over here is so good. So fresh and so clean. I'm just walking. I don't have an agenda. I'm just soaking all this in before I go back to the hyperactive life of Mumbai. I think this is a mall. Bergen Store Center. Andar looks like Subway, but I'm not sure. And that's a public library. Let's go inside the mall. बहुत टाइम से मॉल नहीं गई हूँ मैं. इनऑर्बिट से भी छोटा है ये मॉल तो. बहुत छोटू सा मॉल है. We've got a lot of home interior places. These are so cute. Can I have a basket? I've not got any jewelry, so maybe. Oh, this is cute. So pretty and so lightweight also. This is so cute. This is really nice. I like it. I got some jewelry for myself for this trip because I didn't bring any, and tomorrow probably I could dress up pretty. The more I look at these trees, they remind me of the Whomping Willow in Harry Potter. Feels like they'll just come to life now and start hitting. I can't get over how pretty this town is, yeah. Oh my god. I want to settle here, and I feel that way about every European city.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm sleepy and I'm tired. Today I traveled quite a lot from Tromsø all the way to Bergen, and I had a really good dinner. The Airbnb host actually cooked for us, and it's a shared Airbnb. I told you, na, there are other people staying in other rooms. So there's this lady from UK and he himself is from Norway. So हम लोग सब kitchen में बैठ के खा रहे थे, बातें कर रहे थे. Tummy's full and now I'm sleepy, very very sleepy. So I'm gonna sleepy. I wanted to have a bath, but now I'm feeling lazy. Winter makes you so lazy, na. So I'm gonna avoid today. Tomorrow I will pakka have a bath. My scalp is gonna... Tomorrow I will have a bath. Or I'll just wash my hair in India. Who knows?
The next day.
Good morning. The weather is so nice this morning. It's so nice and sunny. Such a change from Tromsø for me. तो आज सुबह मैं आराम से उठी हूँ, बहुत अच्छे से सोई हूँ. It's only 10 o'clock and I'm heading for a coffee outside. I'm going for breakfast. And when I was going down to the kitchen to just fill my water bottle, I met Liana, who's also staying at the Airbnb, and she's from UK, so she's going to Flum today. It's a countryside. और यहाँ से 1 घंटे की ट्रेन है Flum जाने के लिए. And a lot of people had told me Flum is really beautiful, but I didn't feel like going. But now that she is going, honestly, God is planning my trip. I was talking to Reed this morning and I was telling him कि मुझे मन नहीं कहीं पे भी जाने का. I just want to, have coffee, have a good meal in the city, and that'll be it. But I went down to fill my water bottle, met her. She's going to Flum, and she's like, "Do you want to come along?" I was like, "Yeah, let's go." So we'll be going 11:30. We'll leave. So I'll quickly go grab breakfast and then meet her. I love how big this coffee is. Really cool, right?
Where do you get this from?
India itself. It's this brand called DJI and they make these pocket cameras. So convenient. This is the Bergen station. Our first time. We have to go to L4.
Where are we gonna get the tickets from?
Yeah, this is as tickets.
Yeah.
English.
Next
But
date
it's
is
saying no,
September.
can't find tickets. Could not find
any
tickets.
Oh no.
There are no tickets available.
Oh, for real?
Oh my god.
How come they can't find any tickets now?
Should we speak to the
Yeah.
guy inside?
They not find any tickets.
Så det måste synas på längst.
Hi. Are there no tickets for Flum available today?
Well, they cannot find any tickets.
That's just a problem with the machine.
Okay,
I thought it
perfect.
was like you sold out everything
Yeah.
for every drain.
You want to go on Friday?
Today, yeah.
Today.
So that goes direct to Flum.
There is no direct train to Flom. You
Yeah.
have to change in
Midroll. That's what I remember last time. But because I went by bus,
We have to
I
change
wasn't
at
sure.
Arna.
So you go Midroll and then you get the
Midroll,
train.
Two
and then-
roads to Flom today.
Yeah, to Flum. Yeah, please.
Okay, next departure is at is 1:12.
Okay.
Then change in Arna and change in Myrdal, and then arrive in Flom at 4:25.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we got 2 changes, huh?
2 changes. Yes, it's because of the maintenance on the track. We have to have an extra stop in Arna. because the train from Boston has to turn around in Arna instead of going into Bergen. Yeah.
And then the last train from there here?
It's
What time is it?
4:50, so then you get 25 minutes in front.
That's it?
Yeah,
25 minutes only.
yeah. Last train is at 4:50. If you want to, I would recommend going another day early in the morning. So then you get then you can get a full your
Full
day's
day
worth
in
in
Flum.
Yeah.
Flum and then come back at a reasonable hour.
Yeah, because we have been there, but you haven't been there.
It's okay. I'll come next time. Makes sense.
Are
What
you
will we do?
sure?
25 minutes in Flum? Doesn't make sense.
Yeah, that's the thing. Doesn't make sense. So if I want to go, okay, tomorrow I want to do the boat cruise. So if I want to go for Friday, I can book it from now, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
better.
So
Do
we have a
that.
departure at 8:08 and the next one 10:35.
8:08 is early. 10:35.
Okay.
But then ask the return also. What time will the 10:35 reach to Flum?
Arrives at 2 o'clock and then there's a return at 2:30 or at 4:50.
So you get 2.5 hours. That's better.
Okay.
On Friday when I'm not there. The plan to go to Flum is cancelled because there are no trains available as per our timings. So we are going to Uriken Mountain. Let's go. Sun just makes everything more beautiful. The lake is glistening, the grass is greener.
It warms you up. If you
Yeah.
the sun, I'll be feeling so much cold. It's
Oh,
a
for
cold
sure.
day.
Yeah, it is. It
Supposed
is.
to be today minus 3.7. That's the
It's minus
temperature.
3?
Now not, but that's supposed to be the temperature in the morning. It was minus.
Oh.
So now it's still warming up. It will go up to 7.
Yeah. I love these trees. They remind me of Harry Potter. There's a graveyard. Where's the church? The city is very much like Zurich. You've been to Zurich?
No, never been to Switzerland. No.
पूरा uphill walk है केबल कार तक. Oh, Norwegians are super fit to be doing this. I'm not. If I lived here, I would have a chiseled body by now. Monday this is closed. Thank God. ना uphill चल के नहीं मिला तो cable car upstairs. But we have to buy tickets. How expensive? Round trip is 415. 2 adults.
415.
Okay, you do it one and then I'll. Oh, amazing. The cable car is waiting for us. Nobody else is there. Oh, there are people. अगर आप केबल कार नहीं लो then you can also hike 2 घंटे का हाइक है ऊपर 2 घंटा वन वे एंड 2 घंटा आई एम श्योर अगर रीत के साथ आई होती तो ये कराता मुझे बट आई एम ग्लैड आई नॉट विद हिम I don't like to walk. Lovely, this cafe has a view. This is the top of Bergen. Beautiful. Oh my god, this is stunning. This is so stunning. Wow. If you hike, you come up from here. I can only imagine Reet wanting to do this. This is so stunning. They have quite a lot of options here. Thank you. That's it at the window. This is a very popular area in Bergen called Bryggen and Bruges जैसा ही है सारे colourful घर एक जैसे दिखते हैं. Oh, Radisson Blu Hotel is also like this over here. Radisson Blu is huge in Norway. I've seen Radisson Blu everywhere. Oslo, Tromsø, right in the center. There's a waterfront right in front. The old architecture of the buildings is maintained exactly inside, like the wood and all, how you would imagine it to be. Really pretty. The sun just hits different, huh? This is what I crave when I'm in India. The sun doesn't hit like this. So picturesque. Oh my god.
A little later.
Guess who finally got the guts to wash her hair in this extreme climate? Oh my god, I feel like a new person altogether. My scalp is thanking me. I went 9 days without washing my hair and my scalp was literally crying. Ab jab hum log niche the, I was like itchy and I've dry shampooed for 4 days straight, which is not at all healthy for my scalp. I lost a lot of hair in this last week. But finally, I washed my hair. Oh my god, it looks so healthy. It's so happy. I feel like a new person altogether. I went ahead, put my hair growth serum because I need some hair growth at this point. बहुत बाल गिरते हैं यार अगर बाल नहीं धो तो. It looks so good and it feels so fresh. I have carried this blow dryer with me. This is the Babyliss Pro. It's not really great, but ये मैंने last time Paris में खरीदा था and मैं भूल गई थी ना अपना hair dryer last time Paris में. So this has, no, I forgot the universal adapter. So this has the European attachment. So now onwards, whenever I travel to Europe, I carry this because this is lightweight and it does the job. It does keep my scalp still a little wet, but it does a good blow dry after like 30 minutes. It took me 30 minutes to achieve this, but I needed my hair dry because of course it's cold outside and if I go out with a wet scalp, I will fall sick. So the hot water over here was amazing. I took such a nice long shower and I feel great. I feel amazing. Tomorrow we're headed to Oslo, so I'm gonna show you like both the cities in this vlog. I'm just in Oslo for one evening, not even one full night, but I've just booked a hotel literally abhi. जब हम लोग cafe में coffee पी रहे थे तभी I booked a hotel for Oslo. I've booked hotel Vendradi and this was suggested by my Tromso taxi driver. He gave me a list of things I can... Sorry about that. He gave me a list of things I can do in Oslo also, although I'm only there from 5 p.m. to like 10 p.m. till I can be awake. And then next morning I have to take a flight back to Mumbai. So that's going to be that. I thought कि यही vlog में मैं आप लोग को पूरे Bergen and Oslo दोनों दिखा दूंगी. अभी हम नीचे जाते हैं. I want to eat a nice dinner before I say goodbye to Bergen also. I also want to shop a little something. I was seeing like a couple of pieces window shopping करते समय जो I really liked. So maybe I'll do a little bit of shopping. Who knows? Like end of the trip I always मैं कन्वर्ट कराती हूँ इंडियन रुपीज इनटू दैट लोकल करेंसी. अगर मेरे पास लास्ट में ट्रिप में बच जाता है देन आई ऑलवेज इंडल्ज इन सम शॉपिंग बिकॉज व्हाट विल आई डू अगेन कन्वर्टिंग इट बैक टू INR. इट्स यूजलेस बिकॉज आई वेस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ मनी इन द कन्वर्जन इन बिटवीन. दिस इज व्हाई आई ऑलवेज डू सेगमेंट में कन्वर्जन. आई डोंट कन्वर्ट द एंटायर ट्रिप्स बजट. दिस ट्रिप एक्चुअली आई डिड इन अ वेरी गुड बजट. आई हैव स्पेंट less than $1.5 lakh. That's it, excluding my flights. My stays all became in 70,000 and in like another 50,000 I did like my eating and everything, and that's a really good budget for Norway. I'm so happy. My experiences were in collaboration with Head Out, so experiences नहीं गिन रही मैं, उस पर मुझे खर्चा नहीं करना पड़ा. But I'm really happy with the budget I pulled off for Norway because Norway is supposed to be expensive, but honestly speaking, I didn't find it expensive at all. Like Mumbai living lifestyle से अगर आप compare करोगे तो Norway is honestly not that expensive. Yeah, I think I had a great time and it's definitely recharged my batteries and made me feel so good. Bergen is straight out of a fairy tale. No jokes, you guys. This place is so beautiful. Look at that moon. It's full. Oh my god, I've never seen the moon so clearly. This Mumbai things to say. What is that moon? Crazy. Just feels like I'm walking in a storybook, you know. Like look at that. Stunning. Their stores have such minimal yet amazing clothes. This is very much my style. So simple, like denim and a sweater. This is so me. I think most of the stores are shut now. It's 7 o'clock already. Store is open and has the moon boots. Hi, how are you? What's the price on the moon boots? This one?
This is 2,198.
Okay. They're snow boots, right?
Yes.
Do you have my size?
What size are you?
41 Europe. Should I get the high tops though? This is such a cute color, but it won't go with a lot of outfits. This is also really nice. Something different. This will go with different outfits. This is really nice. I like this color. Can you check my size in this color?
I do have, oh, this is medium actually. This is your size. I'm gonna check this for you also.
They look gigantic on the feet, though it looks like I have some issue with my foot. Too chunky for my liking. I don't like how they look on the foot. I really like the colors though, but I don't like how it looks on my feet, unfortunately. If I could wear the medium comfortably, I would get that because this looks too big on my feet. Large is too large. And that's uncomfortable for me. This is a medium. वो बहुत छोटा है. They have medium, large वैसा sizes. They don't have normal footwear sizes. Okay, I'm just gonna go back into my NBs. Thank you. I'll try this. This is waterproof too for my future snow trips. You're sure this is waterproof though? The suede kind of. This is exactly what the Uggs was.
No, but it's not the same. The Uggs is just like
sheepskin.
Yeah. This is not. It's like.
Oh, this is so nice.
Yeah.
This looks good too.
It's very great. It keeps you super warm.
It keeps you warm? Great. Yeah, I think this one then. This looks so much sleeker. The moon boots look very chunky. What colors do you have? Just beige and this?
Beige and black. Yeah, I don't think I have the beige one in a 41. I can check.
This looks smart. I've never had a snowshoe. I guess this makes sense. I like the beige better because mostly I'm a dark jeans kind of girl, so I like lighter footwear. It just contrast more. Black's nice too, but I'll get this. I'll get this. Yeah, thank you. My Uggs are completely destroyed. I went to Tromso and my Uggs are destroyed. I should have got this before Tromso.
I know. They would have been perfect. It would have
Yeah.
been warm and like so nice and clean still.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, the UGG says shit.
Yeah.
I have them myself. I love them, but I can only wear them when it's like sunny.
Sunny, yeah. This thing has happened with me in the store. My card just kept getting declined. It was definitely her machine because I tried a smaller amount. I have balance. I showed her. I tried a smaller amount, everything. But it just kept getting declined and she thinks that my card is not acceptable with her machine because that's a really small store. So restaurants वगैरह हर जगह आज तक मेरा card ऐसा decline नहीं हुआ है Forex card. But yeah, the moon is so pretty. I couldn't get the boots. Unfortunately, I couldn't get them. They were so pretty and I really wanted them. And अभी बाहर आई हूँ तो सारी दुकानें बंद हो गई है because इधर दुकानें 7 बजे बंद हो जाती है. Now I'm just gonna go. Oh, my battery is down with this camera. I'm just gonna go to a good restaurant, eat a nice dinner, and then probably meet the folks at the apartment again. The moon is really pretty. I don't know if the camera is gonna. Oh, look at that! Just look at that. So beautiful. Almost full. It's not full. It's almost full. सब कुछ बंद हो गया है. अभी कुछ भी खुला नहीं है. Only restaurants are open. This is the restaurant I'm going to. Braziliansk. It's a really busy and full restaurant. I doubt they have a table without reservation. This is such a busy restaurant. It's like buzzing on a Wednesday night. This is the most food I think I've eaten in a while. And there's another steak coming up. Like this is only the sides.
I'm back with the mixed
Oh,
meal.
amazing. Thank you. There's no place on this plate though.
No. If you take the cutlery away,
Yeah.
thank you so much. And I need your help with the pin set.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright you guys, it's time to say good night to Bergen and also goodbye because we will not be seeing each other again. I think you can see the beautiful moon now. कितना बड़ा दिख रहा है यहाँ से. And the sky has a lot of stars. यहाँ पे light pollution थोड़ा सा है so you can't see it very clearly. Oh my god, this telephone booth is so freaking scary. I thought for the longest time this man is real and is staring at me, but it's not real. There's no way. Anyway, let's say goodbye to Bergen and go back to our room.
The next morning.
Good morning. I don't know why my face looks so swollen. I slept well. I don't know why it's swollen. But I'm leaving this beautiful apartment and Gregor, the owner of the Airbnb where I was staying, I told you it's a shared Airbnb. He's dropping me to the tram. So there's a tram that goes directly to the airport. So instead of taking the Uber, I'm going by tram. This is my first experience of the Bergen tram or the Norway tram in general. So let's go. Let's see how it is. He said it's more beautiful and the views are more worth it. Why didn't you trash it?
Because I have to do the other one.
Okay.
It's organic.
The weather's so nice. I've been blessed with such good weather in Bergen. This was my first shared Airbnb experience and I loved it. Next time I'm always doing shared Airbnb.
5 minutes later.
Yeah, I have
Yes.
the app. I can do it inside.
Cheers.
What do I have to get? The tram ticket?
Yes, do it now. Please.
Okay.
Okay. Let me see that you have the right now.
Yeah. Skis, right?
Cheers. Yes. Just now. Let me see. Because
Do it now, please.
yes, one of those.
But this is for bus.
Yes,
Light
so-
rail.
no,
Light
yeah,
rail.
yes.
Okay.
So one of those, buy ticket. Yes. €5. The last 4 point something euro. Yes, amazing. You got
Oh,
it.
perfect.
Then find a good seat.
And this will drop me directly to the Lufthaven.
Last one is
Okay.
airport.
Oh,
Yes.
perfect.
So find out. Take a seat.
Good
there,
seat, yeah.
with the window.
Do they have this strapping thing over
But
there?
you
Yeah, this is better.
then you do like this. Is it too big?
Yeah, that's too big. That's the only problem. It'll keep dangling. I'll hold on to it.
No, it's gonna be fine like that.
Okay. Bye. See you. Thank you so much. See you next time. Yeah, so lovely. I love traveling because you get to meet so many new people and make so many new friends in different countries, different nationalities. Love it. We are going to Oslo. This is so convenient. सीधा एयरपोर्ट लाके छोड़ा है ट्रैम ने सिर्फ 5 यूरो में. Usually हम कितना देते टैक्सीज के लिए. This is freaking perfect. The tram, I just took it. It directly drops you at the airport. Gregor was so right. अभी सीधा लिफ्ट लेके डिपाचर्स पे जाना है. There is nothing else I have to do. I think the lift has also come. Yeah, the lift has come. I just spent 5 euros on this 50 krona and taxi का 50 यूरो 500-600 krona. मैं आई थी 680 krona. That is almost 5,500. This is madness. I love that I saved this money. Now I can eat something really nice at the airport. Okay, I've reached the airport quite early. I needed to charge my devices, so I'm sitting in Joe and the Juice. It's one of my favorite cafes, and I'm having their spicy tuna sandwich. This is my favorite thing from Joe and the Juice. It's so delicious. The bread is so good, and tuna masala, everything is really good. I'm trying the vanilla oat matcha latte. It's really tasty. It's very sweet. So the herb taste of matcha is not coming that much. My first time trying. Every time I come to Joe and the Juice, I try a new drink. So this is nice. Normally I don't like matcha because उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा grass जैसा taste आता है. But if you put so much vanilla, it kind of neutralizes it and then it tastes really good. So you end up eating a lot of sugar with matcha sandwiches. So warm, so creamy. Love it. Taxis in Oslo are insanely expensive, so I've come to the station, airport ka station hai. There's a train that will take me directly to my hotel, like 8 minutes away. I'm at the Airport Express station.
A few moments later.
Guess who screwed up the train numbers very royally? Got on the wrong train and did not reach her hotel. I had to get on a different train to reach my hotel. और मैं कोई गलती ट्रेन पे चढ़ गई. उतरने के बाद लास्ट स्टॉप पे समझा तो अभी I have to take the bus to get to my hotel because अब कोई ट्रेन नहीं है. Got out of the train station. Oslo is beautiful, very high tech, modern, but I am struggling right now to understand where is my bus stop. With these 2 suitcases, I have to go that side. I think that's the bus stop. ये सारी लाल buses में से कोई एक बस लेनी है. अभी सही पढ़ के लूँगी मैं. This is the hard part. बस ने यहाँ छोड़ा है. क्या सुंदर जगह है. It's so beautiful, so picturesque. Love the architecture. I have to walk up 5 minutes till my hotel. Let's go. Oslo has a tram, it has a bus, it has a railway. It's really well connected. And it has me struggling with the luggage too. Every trip I tell myself I'll travel light. But that's just a dream I never can fulfill. Oh my god. Oslo, I'm in love. This is so freaking beautiful. And I love, this is the area in which my hotel is. Like 3 minutes over here. And there's so many restaurants. Good recommendation.
A few inches later.
Alright, this is my hotel. I love the area. There's an Indian restaurant right here. Not like I'm gonna eat Indian on the last day of my trip, but there's the waterfront over there. And that's the area we walked from. So very promising. Let's go up. भाई हाथ के वाट लग गए. यूरोप आओ ना, बॉडी की हालत हो जाती है. चलो भाई दरवाजा खोलो. Use your card. Is it a self check-in? I hope not. It is a self check-in. 804 is my room number and I have to take the processing done. Okay. This is my key card. Self check-in done. Let's go. यूरोप आओ तो पता चलता है कि लोगों की कितनी कमी है दुनिया में कि होटल के रिसेप्शन पे भी ये लोग किसी को नहीं रखते. इवन एयरपोर्ट पे बैगेज ड्रॉप इज सेल्फ चेक इन, होटल इज सेल्फ चेक इन, एवरीथिंग इज लाइक दे जस्ट ट्रस्ट अस सो मच कि खुद से कर लो. Nobody is there anywhere. Only waiters at hotels you'll get. हाँ पहुंच गए मैं. Alrighty guys, we finally made it to this teeny tiny room in Oslo. Literally मेरे हाथ जितना है, बहुत ही छोटा सा रूम है. And I'm paying literally 10,000 rupees for this tiny little thing. शुरू होते के साथ खत्म हो गया. And bathroom भी इधर शुरू होते के साथ खत्म हो गया. But we just have to stay for a couple of hours, not even one full night, because आज रात को 2 o'clock I'll get up and I'll bounce to the airport to go to India. Back again. Holiday over. There's a Pakistani street food restaurant called Rickshaw over here, right in front of my hotel. There's so much variety of food over here. There's Indian restaurant next to my hotel called Benares, and then there's Rickshaw. You guys, this place is beautiful, so beautiful. Lot of fjord cruises over here. जैसा हमने Tromso में किया था, you can do fjord cruises from Oslo also, similar way. Here's my little waterfront date that I'm sitting with at the waterfront, and Oslo is really, really beautiful. Very stunning. I'm just soaking in the vibe of the city because I'll be gone tonight. 2:30 is I have to leave for my flight to Mumbai. So yeah, last of the European city before the clean skies, before I get back to the polluted ones. So far. People are jogging over here. Like it's like 5 o'clock and people are jogging. It's so cold. The weather's so nice. The sky is so clear. What a dreamy, dreamy place. What you're looking at me, Jokhaja? In an alternate life, I will settle in Europe. Not in this life, in an alternate life for sure. कुछ तो रिश्ता नाता है मेरा इस जगह से. This is just looking at me like I'm gone mad. I'm a little hungry. Let's go eat something. This is a 1950s building which is hosting the Nobel Peace Prize. It's called Oslo Radhus. And इसका जो ऊपर bell है ऊपर, it keeps on playing the bell every 1 hour I think. Really stunning. This is Oslo's central station, and this group of hotels is super popular in Norway in general. I've been seeing them everywhere. Like har nook and corner mein there's a Thon hotel, and Radisson Blu is also very popular in Norway. And then over here, that's the Opera House of Norway. It's a modern architecture, but that's the Opera House, which is why this is called Thon Hotel Opera. As compared to everything else that I've seen in Oslo, this is quite a modern architecture. It's on the riverfront. That's the Opera House. Very popular. Oslo's Opera House. It's 1 degree. Alright guys, I booked a taxi for morning airport with the reception of the hotel. They had this counter and I asked them, so this is my taxi ordered. This is where I booked my taxi. मैं ना रस्तों पे देख रही थी कि एक भी मुझे टैक्सी दिखी नहीं रही, सब लोग पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट ले रहे हैं एंड आई वाज अ लिटिल स्केयर्ड दैट आई वोंट गेट अ टैक्सी इन द मॉर्निंग. आई ट्राइड बुकिंग एन उबर एन आवर बैक एंड 1 घंटे से उबर बुक नहीं हुई है, लाइक लेटर रिजर्व वाली राइड पे, एंड आई डिडंट गेट ड्राइवर डिटेल्स, सो आई वाज स्केयर्ड. सो देन आई स्पोक टू द रिसेप्शन एंड ही सेड दिस इज अ कंफर्म बुकिंग, सो वी आर सॉर्टेड देन फॉर टुमारो मॉर्निंग. एंड नाउ आई एम fully packed. I'm gonna get some rest in the room. Didn't want to take my chances with the Uber in the morning time or any public transport at 2:30, 3 o'clock in the night. I've not unpacked anything. This is the outfit I'll go back to Mumbai in. Just want to keep it comfy and I don't even want to open this luggage. Now my body hurts a lot. Alright you guys, इसी के साथ हमारा नॉर्वे का सफर यहीं पे समाप्त होता है. What a good trip. This was so deserved, so needed. I did not have any travel plans all the way till May, but somehow I just ended up taking this trip and I'm so glad I did. Last minute everything was booked and I'm just happy I came. Got to experience the Northern Lights जिसके लिए आई थी वो भी सफल हो गया, and what a good trip. It was very relaxing, very lovely. I tried to keep it as informative for y'all as possible. It's my solo traveler journey. जिधर भी मैं details दे पाती हूँ मैं आप लोग के लिए दे देती हूँ, और extra details अगर आपको चाहिए तो हमेशा आपको description box में मिलेंगे. Plus I always reply to comments on my YouTube channel. Whatever y'all need to ask, y'all can ask me in the comment section. Always open for y'all. I hope you liked this entire series of Sarah in Norway. Can't believe we ticked off another European destination from our list. This was our 17th country together. I can't believe it. I hope y'all enjoyed this series. If you did, don't forget a big thumbs up. Share it with all of your friends who are bucket listing their Northern Lights experience so that they get a lot of insight. For this Saswajal goes to Gia Jen. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be part next to Saswajal, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it. Also comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad and chance to part of my next video, Sarah Squad shot. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.